And if y'all don't subscribe to my sister, I'ma find out where y'all live. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Kayla Angelise, and I really hope you stay. It's currently 6:14, and as you can see, I'm up, and I'm gonna go ahead and go to the gym. As you saw if you saw my last vlog, you know I tried to go to the gym the other time around this time, but you know something happened, so I wasn't able to go. But I'm gonna go ahead and go. I'm already dressed. A little work outfit on. I'm about to go ahead and do my hair. But basically today, I have a free day today, so I was like, I'm gonna go to the gym. I'm gonna take my baby to the groomer's appointment he has today. Then I also have a facial scheduled, which I'm super excited about. And then I'm gonna spend the day with my cousin so we can go ahead and catch up and stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and bring y'all along with me. So let's go. One thing about it, guys, like I have to feel cute to go to the gym. Like I just feel like it just gives me a confidence booster knowing that you look good while you're in the gym. Like there's no better feeling. Even though I'm about to sweat these edges out, I'm still gonna do it. Like it is what it is. Why? Because it makes me feel good. And I'm gonna do things that make me feel good. And to start my day, like look at that. Look at that. Get into it. Period. But I feel like today's gonna be a very good day. It's already starting off right. Go ahead and keep this energy going throughout the day, and it's all about just programming yourself. And I'm starting to learn that. Like I was driving to work the other day, and then I just started like thinking so negatively for whatever reason. And you know what I did? I turned on that gospel music because baby, the devil will try to get in your ear, and then that's just it. And you're not about to get this one. So I was just, I just put on gospel music, and I was just going back through looking at how far I've came, and, just thanking God, because literally like everything that I prayed for, like God has just kept doing his big one for me. And it's just like, I feel like we just get so caught up on things like at the moment, like if something's not going right at the moment, and I'm speaking like for myself, but I just get hyper focused on that, and then I start to think very negatively, other than like, looking at like the whole picture. And I'm just like, yo, like it's okay, like it's gonna be fine. You go through things and you grow through things, so it's just like it is what it is, But I'm like literally sitting in a prayer right now. Like y'all don't even know. Like it's just like, I think I'll do like another vlog on like getting to know me. I mean, if you guys want that, I don't know. Sometimes I feel like I'm not interesting, but this is my safe space, and I can talk about whatever I want to talk about. And this should be you guys' safe space too. So which I hope it is your safe space and cozy space, because we can literally talk about any and everything. Like, and I'm only 25, but I've been through some things, so yeah. But alright, I think edges are laid. I'm gonna go ahead and check on my baby boy before I go. And let's go to the gym. I'm gonna go ahead and give my son his medicine. Thank you. If you watched my last vlog, you will see that I had to take Benji to the vet. He has spaces in between his discs that caused him really bad back pain. Basically how that came about is, for one, he's getting older. He's 7 years old now, and he always like jumps on the bed, jumps on the couch. So the vet can just say like over time, like he may have landed wrong or whatever the case may be. So he has to be on this medication for the next 4 weeks. And like I said, he does have a grooming appointment today, but I made sure to call the vet yesterday to make sure it will be okay. And I'll also be giving him his pain medicine, which is what I just showed you guys before he goes, so he'll be a little relaxed. And then this is also half of trazodone, which, you know, can act as a sedative. So I just want to make sure he's very relaxed. And they said that they'll be very gentle with him, and they made a note on his card that, you know, he was in the vet for some back pain. So that made me feel better. But y'all about to see all I have to do to make this guy. I'm telling you, this dog is so freaking smart. So, you know, I put the pill, you know, this is a small size, right? You would think, right? I put the pill and I wrapped it up in some turkey meat and I gave it to him. Tell me why this man ate around the pill and then spit it out. So now I have to take the turkey meat and then I have to put the pill on top of the turkey meat and crush it and then fold it. So that's what I'm gonna do. There we go. Hopefully nobody's at the gym. I just love an empty gym. Like, if you're a gym girly, you already know. And I don't know if it's just me, but I love a small gym. Like, big gyms intimidate me, and I'm just so grateful that my community has like a nice gym. You know, like when gyms are small but like they're outdated. I feel like my gym is pretty modern. I like it a lot. So today I will be doing full body. If someone is in there, I'm probably not gonna record because I'm still a little shy. And yeah, but y'all see me after, and I'll be sweaty as because I feel like if you ain't sweating and you're not sore after you leave the gym, you're not putting work in. That's I'm just saying. I love to feel sore. But yeah, but it's a nice walk. It's so peaceful. I got my Stanley. Oh, guys, I don't have my headphones. Damn. How y'all was gonna tell me that I didn't have my freaking headphones? Now I gotta walk. Back. That's fine. I'm glad that I didn't get all the way over there and I realized I didn't have my headphones. So I just got back from working out. It's currently, can I see it? 7:14, and I'm glistening, baby. You see the edges? You hear my dog in the back. You can see my edges kind of sweated out, but for the most part, they're still intact. So it was a super good workout. I feel. I feel really good. I love moving my body in the morning. So now I'm about to get ready to take my son, as you can hear him in the back, to the groomers. He's losing his mind right now. So let me go get him. Yeah. So I got my sister with me. Yeah.
The one and only niggas.
What did I say about cursing? Anyways, we're about to go ahead and take the kiddos to the groomers, and we're gonna enjoy the rest of our day.
Milo, speak. Speak.
That's embarrassing.
Sorry. Hello, everyone. My name is Alicia, and today we will be going to the pet grooming place to drop these off. Kayla said I cannot curse, so I'm really trying my hardest not to curse. Although there is a freedom of speech, and my freedom of speech is cursing. What?
Well,
since I can't say that,
on here.
So sorry about that.
Well,
I'm so excited to drop these.
Why are you talking like that?
Because I can't curse.
Okay, you can still talk normal.
Alright, what's up, nigga? My name is Alicia.
What did I just say?
You can say nigga on YouTube. And you can't get shadow banned.
Calm down.
I'm black.
The red button.
Alright, we'll come back. I gotta talk to her real quick.
This is You know when it says the owner and the dog, they match each other energy. So if my little nephew's a crackhead, then what that make the owner? Yeah. Yeah.
I promise, that wasn't a past gas. It was this. Sorry about that. And if y'all don't subscribe to my sister, I'm gonna find out where y'all live.
Hey y'all, I am back. See, I'm changed. I am showered. Now I'm on the way to my facial appointment. Hopefully she'll let me record the process. Fingers crossed. But if not, this is the before. And then, wow. I swear, y'all, these Florida drivers are the worst. But this is the before, and then I'll just do an after. But hopefully she'll let me. I don't know. I did ask her. She didn't really give me an answer. I'm just like, okay. But I'm going to ask her again because I'm like, hello. It would be nice to get this content in, you know? All right, y'all. But let me go ahead and focus on this road. Bye. Okay, y'all. I am back. I was able to get a little, some behind the scene footage from my phone. So I'll post that or whatever, like, I'll input that in the video. It's like she asked me if I was open up to getting like lip blushing done. I told her, for one, I don't want to change the size of my lips because I don't even know what that is. She was like, oh no, it's not like changing the size of your lips or anything like that. She was like to make them more like pigmented, I guess. But I told her I'll do some more research on that because I'm not 100% sure. But I will put her information in or whatever. So if you guys are in the Tampa area, she's a really sweetheart. She's in like the little salon suite, so she has her own suite. It was really nice and like tranquil in there. She had the music going, and she had like the heated table that you lay on. So I ended up getting I got a custom facial with LED therapy, the red lights and everything. So it was just. But now I'm waiting on my cousin. We're about to go get some seafood, and then we're just gonna hang out and spend the rest of the day together because I'm hungry. The only thing that I've eaten and water. That's all I'm running off of since 6 this morning when I went to the gym. So I'm about to probably go in a few stores because it's only 12:17. And we're meeting up for lunch at 1, and the restaurant is like not even 5 minutes away. So I'm gonna kill some time. Bye. Alright, so my cousin is taking longer than usual, bless her heart. She's been late all her life. But we're just gonna go ahead and walk in Sephora and see what they got. I'm really only in here to find a good sunscreen. I'm really not looking for anything else, but you know what happens when you come up in here. So we'll see. I'm gonna see if somebody can. I want to see if they have the Black Girl sunscreen. I used that in the past, but I'm open to trying something else because that tends to be a little oily on my skin. So I don't think that they have like Korean skincare here. But I'm gonna just ask. I'm gonna see. I'm gonna see what they do. What's going on? So this is a sunscreen one of the workers recommended. It's a Korean sunscreen. She said this one was mineral and it may leave a white cast, but I may try this one. I may go, I don't think I need the big one. This one says it's $18. I don't really think that's bad, but we'll see. It says an everyday no white cast sunscreen with green tea and sunflower seed oil that protects against UVA, UVB rays while delivering a fresh dewy glow. I do like to be dewy, so we'll see. And then also let's see what kind of blush. I know I said I was only coming in for sunscreen, but I don't be a Sephora like that because it's like mad far from my house. But all right, let's see. Since we're here. Okay, so
just take a little bit. I don't know what people did with that, you know what I'm saying?
Thank you.
Yeah. Okay, and so we'll just work a little bit in here. And I like to lift it.
Me too.
By putting it like on the temples and then radiating it out. So that's.
Kiss effect. Yeah, that's cute. That's cute. Spicy. Okay, thank
And
you.
it's a clean brand, which is like the best. That's what we need these days.
Yes. And you say your name was Jackson?
Jackson, you got it.
Thank you so much.
Absolutely,
I appreciate your help. Okay, so Jackson just helped me out. Very cute guy. And Naya, I'm so sorry if I forgot your name. Naya, she helped me with this. So I think I'm gonna do that. I'm good on concealer. I'm good on foundation. Oh, you do know what I do need? I do need another spoolie because my spoolie is run to the ground, yo. It's just ran to the ground. Because it's only 12:47. My cousin said she'll be here at 1:30. And Heaven, if you're watching this, I love you, but do better on time because my stomach is grumbling. Yeah. But anyway. Sure. It makes me want to, do some crumping. And then I also found this cute NY hat. Sister girls. Thank ya. Yeah, you're coming home with me. So I think that's all I'm gonna get really. I came in here to find some active wear for shorts and stuff, but they have the really short shorts and those are only the scrunch. And I ain't wearing those. I mean, I'm just out of that phase. I'm not wearing those scrunch, no. So what time is it now? 1:12. So my cousin should be on the way. And I guess I'll hit up one more store. They have some cute sandals. Hold on. Let's go look at the sandals. Those are cute. Hopefully they have my size. Let's see. Great bands. Oh, yes, I should have the camera. But these are cute. I think I'm gonna get these. Yeah, these. You're coming home with me. You're coming home with me. Wait. Oh man. Girl, I got my tickets on pre-sale.
Yes, that's good.
It's and then imagine just the stressfulness of securing one ticket. Imagine trying to secure 7 tickets.
Really? You know what you're gonna wear or not yet? You haven't.
Yep, that's going towards my I got she got I saw this cute little where is it? I'll show you. I sent it to my sister because every time we're about to order something, I'm like, make sure the vibes.
Yes.
So I saw this shirt.
Oh yeah, that's perfect.
Get that. And then I think it will look really nice with those because that was kind of like my inspo. So even though it doesn't have the rips, I still like the wash. And then I'm gonna get a stack of these necklaces, and then where my airports is, cause I'm going for the old Chris Brown, when he was crunking and shit.
Old era.
Yeah, I'm not going for this new shit. I mean, even though it's cool, but I'm going.
No, that is perfect.
Trying to do my my inner child.
Yeah, you match the vibe.
Thank you.
And 23.52.
Okay.
You press credit or debit first. You post on TikTok.
Okay, I will. And then I also just made a YouTube channel. I only have 20 subscribers so far. I'm just starting.
But YouTube, that's where it's at.
I'm just having fun with it, cause it's like my teenage self. I always wanted to do it, but I don't know why I didn't.
Yeah, look. Any start now and then build
Yeah, cause I just felt like YouTube was so intimidating.
Yeah.
But I'm just just have fun with it. I mean,
it's so funny. I post the dumbest little clips.
Thank ya. Alright, so I got the goodies. And now I'm gonna text Heaven now and see where the heck she is. It's hot as heck. Went to Sephora. I guess I'll see what Victoria's Secret has. I mean, I don't really be going up in here. Let me call her and let's see, cause I'm hungry, y'all. I want to crack. Well, not crack. Do you crack shrimp? No, you peel shrimp. I wanna peel some shrimp, y'all.
Hi YouTube. We are here about to eat seafood.
That's it.
With my cousin.
That's it.
Yeah.
Rub it down. Yeah, so we just got here and we're gonna cheers.
I treated. I kind of drank some.
It's fine. I drank some too. So I probably will try to show y'all my food if I don't get to it first. I'm no promises, so this is probably all y'all will see.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But we'll come and let you know how it was.
I'll probably show y'all how it looks, but after that, go ahead and prepare for war. Prepare for war. All right, y'all. Once I get these dirty, I'm not, So I'm gonna show y'all what the food looking like.
It smells so good.
So good. She was so nasty and so rude.
Oh no, I didn't want that.
So nasty and oh my god. Yeah. You're going in my belly. Good.
Yeah,
Thank you.
Did you need me to get a clip of you later on?
Huh?
So did you need me to get a clip of you later on?
Oh yeah.
Sure.
Oh yeah, please.
Yeah, can you get that on my phone?
Quick little picture for my little thumbnail. Thank you. What was your name again?
Zoe.
Shout out to my girl Zoe at Hungry Crab. Y'all come see my girl. Period.
Yeah, heaven's already done. It's already in the bucket.
How was that?
It was delicious.
Claim it.
The sauce was good. The
Good.
shrimp was good. The corn was good.
Oh.
The potato was good. It was all good.
Oh my, you see gloves are in. Was not playing no games. Ooh, look, I look sleepy in the face. You know that when the food good. Sleep the
You really came for love. Like,
I came here for. Oh, so I just made it to my cousin's house. Where you at? Bow chicka wow wow. Back to back.
the cousins is back.
The cousins is back. Text.
I got a text. Kayla has entered the villa. You said what? Oh. I came here for love. Yeah. Yeah. Show me.
Show me. No, that's only for that though.
Right.
No, for real.
Love Island USA.
What?
You're full.
Taylor, Charlie, Huda, one of you will be going home.
Yo, Maya was doing a lot. You don't want that. I don't want to do that. No, I don't want to. A berry and mint.
America knows something that you don't, so don't think America's against you. They might just want you to wake up.
And I love how Elizabeth put it because that's exactly what it is. America doesn't hate you. They just want you to wake up.
Yeah.
Like,
This man.
Yo, she was going off on him in
I
the
was gonna say,
shower.
what do you think about him, like her calling him all types of pussy, bitch? Like, I feel like that's really disrespectful because he didn't do her like that dirty.
Yeah, I
He
would've-
just didn't comfort her.
I would've
You don't give a fuck about me. You are the reason why everything happened. You're the reason why I acted the way I acted. You are the reason.
And she kind of talks to him like a kid, like as if that's her like son or something. So I think he needs to snap out of that too.
It means you both chose each other, and you're in a couple.
Oh shit.
But if that door stays locked, it means you're not a match.
I like that recoupling though. That's like different.
Yeah.
And let me know if you get cold or you need a blanket.
Welcome to Love Island USA. Who done Jeremiah? You know, it's like so hot that we've had to get them to pause for a minute to swap out memory cards and give the camera guy a toilet break. I had a nap about 5 hours in.
You told me one thing about how you were gonna treat me, and you did the complete opposite again. How would you feel? How would Jeremy?
Hey, look, no, I'm saying this. I would never call you out your name. I would never call you out.
Yeah, that's.
On my soul.
Exactly.
Any man in
Oh, here she goes. All she's saying is talking about something. Really?
Lloyd and White straight to his girl.
Okay, for sure. Now I'm not mad.
I would never call.
What the fuck?
Hold on.
This shit should not be this hard.
She said I would never call you out your name.
No, but she's.
My bad.
You may not agree with the pancake thing, whatever.
Okay.
And I guess
No, you gotta do it again.
Pancakes, but I already made you a pancake, and the fact we're still talking about this is kind of nuts.
I'm not bringing it up again.
And just like that, I am back home. 10:05, and guess what? I'm about to go to the club. I'm tired. I've been up since 6 something in the morning. No nap. You guys seen it, what I've been doing all day. But a section has been bought. Bottles will be there. I don't work tomorrow, so like literally, why not? My dog is fed. He is okay. He's chilling. Look at him. Okay. He's good. Mommy's about to go have some fun. This is the outfit. Top I got from Shein like mad years ago. Let me turn the light on so you guys can. Oh, okay. Hold on. Let me stop playing. That's the fit, y'all. I got these pants from Rainbow, baby. And one thing about it, if I don't really have nothing to wear, I'm going to throw something together and it's going to be a black top every single time. Like, I don't care. That's the fit. I'm going to pair it with these cute little kitten heels that I got. Cute little bag. I'm going to call it a day. Probably won't vlog in the club because this is an expensive ass camera. You know what I mean? If I do get a little tipsy, I don't want shit spilling it on it or nothing. So I may record from my phone and I'll just insert clips from the club or whatever. But yeah, thank y'all so much for joining me to spend the day with me on my vlog. And I hope you enjoyed it. Like, subscribe, comment, share. And I hope you stay. Bye. We doing it for the tequila. Go, Auntie, go. Go, Auntie. We doing it for the tequila. Oh, Lord.
Everybody trapping, we get low. He ain't focused yet, but he ain't got motion. Made a half a ticket out promotion. Shout out sushi, sweet and keep me rolling. But if we get the out, we gotta slow. Around with Drake, like we OVO. I got some gas and I want. Still got a pass in the hood, call it give and go. Keep a nigga, man, bitch in a figure four. Let me fuck when I want, I just come and go. Man, these rackets too deep for these skinny clothes. I might put me in him in some picture boat. Make the braid, this nigga's like getting low. I spent time on the racks on the Lambo and didn't even know how to move them motherfuckers go. On my birthday, I just wanna lift the dough. Barely fit, but don't play with me, period. You just follow behind the years. In the road, I feel like a tourist. I'm the one from the bottom who sold out my partner. The promise, God, the period. Oh, he ain't up. I fuck with shots and I'm gonna bust. You can't put on that trip, he ain't one of us. How you roundin' the bins in a Tonka truck? How you got everybody lit, pipe it up? Oh, she bad with no swag, I can pipe her up. Ain't my last, I'm no walking up. Count the money up, feel like I'm typing something. I'm the type to get active and never run. Hit the rules, my niggas ain't scared of none. Ain't no rules, you got rest, you can get it.